Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an infinite water source in Minecraft. If you want to figure that out, just keep watching. So it's actually a lot simpler than you might think it would be. So all you need to do is find some land, make a 2x2 little hole in the ground, have a bucket of water, or 2 buckets of water. And I'm going to grab an empty bucket just to show you. So all you have to do is fill one corner and then walk around, fill the other corner. I am in creative mode, so I didn't lose any water. And next, what you are going to do, just anywhere within this little 2x2 4 block water radius, just right click and you have a bucket of water. And as you can see, it is not running out as opposed to a thing like this. So yes, it's a flat water source, but if you take from it, it will diminish. Having an infinite water source is honestly, it's so easy and you're gonna wish that you had it. So yeah, that is how you make an infinite water source in Minecraft. I hope that this video is helpful for you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!